Hello everyone, my name is Adinda, and in this series I'm going to take a deep dive into AMIS Runtime and show you how scripting can transform the way that you prepare builds. Before we jump in, let's talk about what AMIS Runtime is and why it matters. AMIS Runtime is a powerful API that gives you programmatic control over AMIS Pro. So instead of clicking through the interface, you can automate every step of your workflow. From importing parts to shelling, nesting, slicing, and batch processing. This means you can build repeatable, production-ready pipelines that run the same way every time. So it allows you to scale and reduce manual effort. So runtime makes even the most complex additive manufacturing workflows smarter, faster, and more reliable. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with AMIS Runtime using Node.js so you can begin building your own scripts. If you're interested in learning more about runtime, you can check out amispro.be, our website, to get more information or to contact us for more details. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial.